Hi, my name is May. I'm here to introduce a very delicious, nutritious, and very humble dish that is a kale salad. These kales are very tender. In fact, they were just picked from Pharmacy RX Community Garden this afternoon. As you can see behind me, that also they are the kale flowers just from the garden. So we are going to use some of the flower at the end to decorate. Okay, I'm just going to pick it right now. So for kale, we just remove the leaf from the stem. As a lot of people, they are afraid of eating kales because it seems like it's very tough, hard for them to digest. Also, it's a little bit tart. So the tip is to massage kale with good fat, which is avocado, and also I use nutritional yeast with very rich in vitamin B12. So I sprinkle the nutritional yeast and I score the avocado, twist in half. You can dice inside the avocado and use a spoon to scoop it out. In the meantime, don't forget about the lemon. If you are going to use a lemon zest, which will help enhance the flavor and reduce the craving for salt, that is a good tip. And it makes your salad dish smell and taste very fresh. So I just slice a small piece of the lemon, squeeze it, and we massage them together and break it apart to smaller pieces. So I'm going to let the leaves set aside, let it soften more. In the meantime, I also want to add some great toppings as part of a dish. So I use red onion, which is very rich in anti-cancer properties. So I slice into smaller pieces. A lot of people doesn't like the sharp flavor, which you can certainly marinate that with any vinegar you like. And in this case, I use the apple cider vinegar. You can set that aside. I also have beans, whole grains with rich in protein. Radish has the enzyme can help you digest better, also reduce the bloating. Good fat from nuts and seeds, pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, and also we got pecan, some dry fruit. So you can use that as a topping to enhance your flavor. Right now, I think the kale is ready, so we are going to add it to the salad already made. And we can add a little bit of each, and make sure you do not forget about the radish, cut into smaller pieces. Microgreen, very nutritious. And those kale flower. It's enough fun to have a kale flower in a kale dish. Here you go. Enjoy your dish.